Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here from Garvee. It is a huge 4-in-a-row game like Connect 4. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. Get it out of here. Here's going to be, I guess, the bag to put it in. Not sure what a basketball hoop is for, but we'll figure this all out. Other parts. These. And we're gonna need that out of here. Okay. Let's see what we got. Sides. It came with its own little screwdriver to screw things on. Not sure where this is going to hit the ball too, but it's got balls there. These balls you can use for, I guess, the golf, and then I guess these can go in there too. But you got basketball, and then you have your Connect 4. So, whoop, gotta close it up. There, and then you have this color. But you get the idea. 4 in a row would win. So there you go. And then when you're done, you just go like this. And they all come out into the net so they don't get lost. And you can just refill them back on the sides. Super cool. Fun games. I like this game. I'm the king.